So you've gotten the basics of some of the marker and pen tools, but let's go into some advanced tools. On the bottom, let's select the laser pen icon, choose a color, and you can change the line thickness. Now let's open a document and use the laser pen. What the laser pen is designed to do is draw attention to a specific area of your presentation. So when I circle this object here, I can say, hey, look at this. But then when I want to show another object or bring attention to another part of my presentation, and I circle it or write on top of it, you'll notice that the previous stroke disappeared. That's because I no longer want to bring attention there. Or if I highlight the sentence up here, it will get rid of the previous stroke. So just like a laser pointer, it's to draw attention, not actually to annotate. And if I switch back to a regular pen here and start writing, you'll notice that the laser pen stroke disappeared. Next, let's go take a look at the AI pen. What the AI pen is designed to do is recognize images that you draw. So let's try to draw a picture of a cat. You can see on the left the program trying to guess what it is that I'm drawing. Now it doesn't always get it perfectly, so you can always add more details if you don't see your image in the list. Or if you need to start over, just touch the trash can and that'll wipe out your picture and you can start over. When you find the image that you want to use, simply double tap it or touch and drag it onto your canvas. Let's get this picture of the cat. Likewise, if you want a realistic picture, this actually does a Google image search. So right-click or do a 2-second hold and press on the image that you want to search for, and you can see that square popping up there every time I do a right-click. That's going to open the embed browser and do a search for that image. Now, in Google Images, all those pictures you see there are thumbnails, so they're low resolution. So let's actually click on one and then touch and drag the image in the preview on the right onto the canvas. So we can have either the icon or the picture. Now let's look at the shape pen. You can see the Guldian finch on the bottom. That's the shape pen. The shape pen is simply kind of like a stamp pen. So it draws shapes or images of your choosing. So let's choose one here of the sun. And then you can see as we draw, it's just going to keep repeating that shape over and over again. Likewise, I can just touch the screen to use it like a stamp. Now, you might have noticed that in my shape pen, I have all these emojis. Those are not default, those are images I've added myself. The way that I got them is I added them from my Google Drive. So let's head over to our Google Drive. Inside Google Drive, a folder is created called myViewBoard. Let's open that folder. Inside that folder, you should have a folder called Shape Pen. If you don't, go ahead and create a folder called Shape Pen. Let's open Shape Pen. Inside this folder, you'll see all those emoji icons that I've added myself. I've just uploaded them. And then that's how they sync to Whiteboard. Now, if you've just recently added an image, you might need to go back and sign out and sign back in for them all to sync appropriately. Next, we're going to look at the final writing tool, which is the Magic Line pen. This is kind of like a pen that reveals the background. So let's choose a pattern here. We'll choose the blue and white square pattern. And when I draw on my canvas, you can see it's just revealing that pattern or drawing that pattern, whichever way you want to look at it, on the canvas. Now, just like the shape pen, I also can add custom images to this tool. So let's head back into our cloud storage. We'll head into the Magic Line pen folder. Again, create one if you don't have it. And let's choose one of these images. So you can see I've added abstract and mountain. Let's go to the magic line pen and you can see those images there. So let's choose the mountain one and we'll start drawing with it. And you can see as I draw, it's just going to reveal that image as part of my background.